No offense to anybody who doesn't live here, but I think Maine is the best state to live in. I could go on and on about its long, rocky coastline. It's so unique to any other coastlines I've been on, or its beautiful mountaintops, but really what strikes me the most is its just natural beauty. Everywhere you look, it's gorgeous something. Flowers, trees, you name it, it's there. So when I saw these leaves, oops, did you see what I did there? Oh my gosh, that was horrible. Sorry. So when I saw these leaves, I knew I had to do something really cool with them. I wanted to sort of capture a little bit of winter inside them. In fact, I just came back from ice skating when I saw this pile of dried leaves in my garage that I'd kept as a leftover from fall. So I decided to take one of these dried leaves and cut out along the little ribs of the leaf, so it would look like it was an actual leaf. I'm not sure if it really captured it since these are so tiny. I don't know what I was thinking, but I still lined them up on each of these little lines, these little ribs within the leaf. I'm sure there's a technical term for them besides ribs, but we're going to keep calling them ribs. And then I went and just flung it across the studio because I don't know how to hold on to anything with my fingers. And then just continued on with life like nothing was going wrong. It's winter in Maine, so it's cold. So I kind of had to work a little extra hard to get this resin to get out of the bottle and then get moving a little bit so that I could even mix anything into it, which is kind of typical for winter, but we have our ways. I'm using this crushed mica that I thought would emulate the way the snow sort of glitters when the sun is shining on it. I do like to take my time here and not just pour it in. Instead, I sort of take it and glob it in one drop at a time, which I know seems tedious, but it allows me to control how much I'm putting in there, not overdo it, not have one earring that's more filled than the other. I can also make sure I get all the little bits of bubbles and trapped air out of there, because when you're stirring in all the little mica bits, you're going to get more air in there. And this sort of lets it spread out more and degas and get in all of the little nooks and crannies here. And clearly these leaves have quite a few. So I'm trying to kind of push it into those corners without creating little air gaps. And I don't really want to fill it too much either, because I'm still going to put another layer or two in here with the leaves. So this is why I'm sort of just taking my time and not just dumping it in there and letting it flow. Look at that glittery snow. It looks just like it does outside right now. In fact, we are getting more as we speak. So what can I say? It's Maine. I love it. So there's this cute little pond in front of my town hall that I'm guessing somebody at town hall comes out and clears whenever it snows so that people can go ice skating on it. I mean, there's no sign that says that's why they do it, but my husband saw somebody ice skating on it a couple weeks ago, which is why we've been ice skating on it, and we will continue to do so. In fact, we brought some attention to ourselves just doing it the other day. Somebody pulled up. We thought, oh no, more visitors. We thought we were going to have to share the pond with somebody. Not that it's a big deal, but it's a very small pond. That being said, they just came over. They wanted to say hi. They thought it was pretty cool we were out there ice skating. I did cure that mica layer before I added that thin layer of resin that I'm sticking these leaves into. So here's where I'll start to clench up a little bit. I mean, top coating is one of those things where when it's done right and perfectly, it is absolutely stunning. But then it's also where everything can go wrong and then your entire piece is destroyed. I took my time and these domed out perfectly. The top coating looks beautiful, nice and shiny. And here they are as earrings. I had some really cute gold leaf shaped findings that I attached here. If you look closely at the top, here it is in better light. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. They really do look like leaves sitting on top of glittery snow. What do you think? Would you wear them?